Which tequila did you do?
Blanco.
I did Reposado.
How could 4 people get out of control?
Just watch and you'll find out.
It gets out of control.
And Derek's even quiet.
Don's a jerk.
That's true. Don's a jerk.
Welcome to Comment Cocktails. I'm Derek. Okay, we're gonna start this. That's Ian, Dan, Jennifer. I'm gonna make more cards.
Yeah.
Derek.
Can I do it
No,
right?
you can't.
It's password.
Password.
You
Yeah.
can't pass it down
Password.
the line.
Telephone.
Today
Making
we're
a
going
drink
to
in
make
your own.
the margarita. We haven't done this in like many years. 2012, I think was the last time.
With all the different tequilas.
Good producing
With
over there.
everything.
All right.
So we're gonna create four. We're 4 of us, right? 4 margaritas, all using 4 different varieties of alma de agave tequila. Going down the line in age: Blanco, Reposado, Anejo, and I'm of course Extra Añejo, the oldest of them all.
Who's
Extra
older?
old.
Dan.
Dan.
I'm old.
You're older than... Well,
I'm older than everyone.
He's older than
I thought we were
anyone.
doing tequilas in the right age.
Oh,
progression
Need an ounce of
As,
lime.
No, I'd have to definitely be at the end of the line.
So, ironically, don't try this at home because
Really?
I'm creating a margarita with a $120 bottle of tequila.
Well, we're going to see how good it tastes.
Yeah.
We're gonna see.
We're gonna
if it
see if
makes
it tastes any different.
any difference at all. Oh, you have. I'm gonna need some. Oh, lime juice coming
It's
down.
coming.
The line.
It's coming down the train.
And then
Well, I've got my tequila done.
triple six coming.
Tequila's in.
Triple sec.
And then the agave.
doesn't
deck.
pour well.
See, this is very...
No.
Henry
See, we
Ford would
got
be
this.
proud of us.
See?
Yeah.
That's an assembly line reference.
It is.
For you people.
Assembly line reference. First
What do
time
we do
for
in
us
3/4
that to ever happen.
3/4?
3/4
That's really
orange
bad
or
English.
3/4 agave.
Yeah.
You
3/4?
can check them out at almadeagave.com because they're they're the official. What am I making? This is the
3/4?
official.
Do you mind agave, Ian? It's not like honey.
The
I think
official
you can
tequila.
work it. It dissolves better.
of Common Man Cocktails.
And I don't know why.
I don't think it's as thick.
Yeah.
Oh, what's going on over there?
Splashed.
Is that me?
Let's do a little bit. Hold on. You move over. I'm gonna try.
We're not going to salt the rim because that's a lot of work.
Are we straining these or are we just pouring?
I say we just dump it. So we're just gonna dump it because
We
we're
can
doing a
shake and
lot.
dump. I just need ice.
Shake and dump, shake and dump.
We can shake and dump.
Oh, this is horrible. What is this?
Clear
Jen
ice.
gets on the show and nothing's good enough. Just to let you know.
Whatever. You got a good shaker out of the deal, so
Just because you have to use the fluorescent
that's
one.
right.
Well, you're the party starter.
No, I complain about things, but he got a better shaker out of the deal. He
How's
got
that
a
any
tin.
different? You don't have a tin?
No, at his house.
You have a tin?
At his house!
There's a tin
I
at my
can't hear because
house.
you shake it. Oh, that is really cold. Yep.
It keeps re-sticking.
Yep.
Do you need someone to show you how to do that?
Nope.
You just...
Just saying.
You know this shit got
Jumping.
published into
Yeah.
the Moscow Mule
Oh, I
official
know.
recipe book, right?
I only mess with her when I can.
She's the only one of us that's been published. Although I didn't make it into a magazine.
I think
this
it's funny
month.
that
There
we
you
use
go.
progressively more ice.
Yes.
You guys are ice stingers.
Ice stingers.
Ice stingers.
We are ice
Wow.
cinders.
What is that?
That's like the slide whistle suck.
Yes.
It's a new
Totally.
coin phrase. It's a
It's
common man
totally.
cocktails coin phrase.
I'm gonna guess that we probably had enough time
The
for
ice
that
suck
photo.
turned into the slide whistle suck.
Here, we'll
All
put
right.
these here.
All right.
So what
So
are we
we're all
gonna
gonna
do?
start with the Blanco and move
Yeah,
up.
let's
Yes.
move. Let's do that.
The increasingly
All
less
right.
stingy Blanco.
Okay.
All right, sir.
You think I
You
just
can stop
expressed
adding ice to it.
He doesn't want to be stingy.
Oh, okay.
You go first.
Pass it down the line. Alcohol kills germs,
That
right?
is Alma Blanco, aged 50 days. So it's a light, it's clear. It's aged in probably steel casks, where all the others are aged in Canadian oak. So this is
Good.
going to be your typical margarita flavor, I believe. Probably bright, vibrant, fruity.
Yep.
Yeah. Tasty.
You
Refreshing.
can see the
Very
color
tasty.
difference.
Yeah.
Yep, a little sweet.
A lot of
Do
sweet.
you like sweet or sour in your margarita? Some people like it.
I think it may be a little sweet.
So I had
That's
a
a little
note,
sweet.
which I put in here. I don't know why.
I think we have
it's
some
not
notes from the producer.
Someone's
Nope.
asking which one's the most expensive.
The one on the left.
Mine is
Yeah.
the most
Right.
expensive at $120.
The one
Most of
on
them aren't that
everybody's right.
expensive.
Yeah.
These are probably all within 30. I don't have the prices on hand, which is ironic considering, but
That's actually really good.
these should go like
The-
in the 30s to maybe 40s, and this jumps right up to 120.
The
But
reposado goes
See,
with a
that's
lot.
better.
Yeah, the
I like that
reposado.
better.
And
6
usually with a
months.
margarita reposado, sometime.
yeah, I like a Reposado on a Margarita. It gives it more character. 6 months aged in Canadian oak.
You get the oak
You
in
get
your
the Canadian.
margarita. Totally the Canadian. I was just about to say that must
Ooh, it's
be
got a little
Canadian.
bit more.
Canadian oak.
It's got a
Like
little,
a little
more
bit of
bite,
goose.
a little bit more zing to it.
It's got the geese poops.
In the moose. In the mises.
I'm a geese. I like to poops.
I don't think I went through the extra recipe.
What was that? You remember that? Rob
Here-
was on that. There was like a blog by like a goose. It's
Yes,
like,
Really?
I'm a geese and I like to poop.
I can't remember the comic, but yeah. So the recipe is 2 ounces of Blanco or Reposado or apparently any type of tequila,
They also
1
look
ounce of
sweet.
fresh lime juice, 3/4 ounce of
Yeah,
agave
yes.
nectar, 3/4 ounce of
Sometimes
orange
you need salt.
liqueur.
I think it's heavy on the agave, yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
you can tone back the agave. I thought I put that in here, but apparently I left it out. But
Oh, I don't know. Does this taste any
Well, it's
different
because
than this?
the orange liquor is also sweet.
Yeah.
right,
So the orange liquor is sweet.
It's
and the
much of
agave is
a- I
sweet,
think
so
it's
you
more
got
of
an
a-
ounce
like
and a half of
a
sweet to
deeper-
an ounce of sour.
Right.
So the sweet sour balance is off a little bit on these.
which
Yeah, I think I actually like this better.
is my recipe, and I did
like
that
this one better?
specifically. This is the Man Margarita.
I mean,
just
I'm not saying
repurposed.
it's bad. I'm just
No,
saying I think that's
the-
why it tends to
Right.
come out a little sweet.
And the reason I did that is because it was designed for the average drinker as opposed to us. So a lot of people who, if you're not exactly 100% into cocktails, having a
that
little
one
bit
better.
sweeter
Yeah.
usually is a good intro. As people get more mature,
totally.
they go more sour and then even eventually bitter. So this should be a little bit more common man versus.
more of an intro level.
Yeah.
This actually almost makes it taste sweeter.
Yeah, it does.
I think it actually almost makes
Anejo?
it. The Anejo makes
Kind of
it
like the
taste a
Repo
little.
one so far.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
what I liked it better too.
This is it's got a little bit. This is a little bit.
Taste that one again. It makes it taste like a little sweeter.
It's still on my tongue.
It's on your tongue. It's on my tongue. Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, it's right there.
Oh,
Although I
shit.
do, I,
Wait, Dan wants to taste.
I couldn't believe you could see all 3 on there. Interesting.
I don't know. That feels like it has a little bit more.
Do you want some salt?
That was a
Do
sweat.
you want to
rash.
chase that shit?
That's supposed to go to you.
Rate,
So-
rate the wrongness 1 to 10.
But don't stop watching, even though we know you can't.
Ironically, I'd only have to give that a 7. I think we've done worse.
Oh,
So for
on
this,
camera or?
Yeah.
Oh,
No,
okay.
probably.
I thought you were talking about the margarita. I think for this one, for the good tequila, I'd want to cut the sweetness back so the tequila comes out a little bit more.
Oh yeah, that would make sense.
Aged 49
Can you
months.
shake it with pubes? What you do?
So 50 days,
That just crushed the whole thing.
It's like
6
it was
months.
my favorite until then.
18 months, 49 months.
You want to know why? If you, I mean, you've obviously tasted that. It's so smooth and
It doesn't need a
like
cocktail.
it definitely gets killed by the.
Oh yeah.
But it definitely gets
Yeah,
killed by
it
the
gets
agave.
lost in there.
Yeah.
No, but you know what? If you're a high roller, this is perfect.
Oh, if you get the
It's lost though. You know, like it's Ian was saying,
If
you
you-
should cut back.
Yeah, like a high roller. You don't care what it tastes like. You just want to spend a lot on it. This would be a very expensive margarita.
Oh,
We're
yes.
talking what, $25, $30 margarita for something with this in it?
Oh, definitely.
But
So-
I don't like it as a margarita because it's a waste and you don't get those tequila flavors that you're
Oh, I
The
know.
problem is you need a strong tequila to kind of in a margarita.
This has a little
You
bit
need-
more of
you
a
need-
caramel flavor to it, I think.
Well, it's super smooth and it's
Yeah.
really good. That's why you can drink it by itself.
Yeah, but okay. So are you saying that this doesn't taste any different? I think
No.
this does taste different.
Oh, definitely
gets-
tastes different.
Yeah, but I think it actually gets lost.
I still like the Repo and the Blanco. I just
I like
think that
the Repo
it
the
still
best.
tastes different than
Oh,
all
it
the
tastes
others.
different. Yes.
Just not different enough to value a $120 version versus a
No.
40 or $38.
It's a waste of that tequila.
It is.
I mean, it's not
I think-
saying it's bad, but it's
Right.
lost compared
It
to
is
the others.
lost.
and it's-
Which is why
The other ones have more taste, actually.
yeah.
which is why this works for us because we don't care. We're drinking because we can and we don't have to pay for it. If you were to buy a $120 bottle of tequila with this nice heavy freaking cap, right? Like this is a sipping, maybe a little bit of water or ice, and you're done.
But you're not paying for the cap. Well, you pay for the
Somebody's
cap,
paying.
but
Maybe.
you're not paying $120 for the cap.
Oh no,
the
but like,
quality of the tequila is
great
very
tequila,
good.
it's-
yeah.
No, but it's like taking a
But it's,
really
uh,
good whiskey and making a whiskey sour.
Right.
I mean, it's
Don't
got a freaking.
Or taking a scotch.
They all
and
have-
making
It's gotta
a cocktail
channel
out of
it.
It's got a channel. They all have like ribs on these things to guide the.
So they can pour, yeah.
Right,
You know what? There's a lot of agave in all of these.
right. They're all.
They're
different.
little
I think
sweet.
the Reposado makes the best drink.
Yeah,
Yeah.
with at these proportions, they're Reposado.
Yes.
Right. I think that
I think you'd cut back the
for
agave
us,
at some point.
at
For
our
us, yeah.
our
Yeah.
our
Yep.
experience level, you cut back the agave by a half ounce, which I thought I put in the
2.5
instructions.
ounces.
Yeah, 2.5 ounces.
No,
If
you
this
have
is
to-
too sweet, remove agave nectar and push your orange. Oh yeah, you could do that too. You can just remove the agave nectar altogether and push the orange. To the
I mean, I would say half ounce of agave
I like the
nectar.
agave nectar,
Work your way back down until you find the flavor that
Yeah.
works for you.
Yeah.
I mean,
but if it's like when we serve this to Jen's mother, she's like, oh, it's too sweet. So I usually just kick back the agave or just remove it altogether and just use orange liqueur.
that makes sense.
Some recipes don't use
You
agave.
need a little balance. You need some sweetness in there for the
Right.
balance.
Yeah.
And you
Yeah.
may, depending on the orange liqueur you use, you may get that. If you're using a
That's true.
senior curacao, it
Right.
tends to be a little more alcohol heavy.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're
gonna
probably
have
going to
potency.
need the agave
Right.
to balance it. But if you're using like the what do we use, the Cointreau?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No. What do we use? Oh, we use
No,
Luxardo.
Luxardo.
Triple.
Oh, the Luxardo.
Yeah,
Triple
Luxardo.
sec.
Yeah.
That's
It
still
has
pretty.
it still has a bit of sweetness in there, but
No, and most
Yeah.
liqueurs are good. These are going to be a little sweet. This is 39%, so it's
oh, so that's up there.
it's
But if you use
almost
like
a tequila.
Cointreau, it's definitely different.
Yeah.
Like it
It's
gives
gonna
it-
be a little
yeah,
zestier,
than like
too.
a triple sec.
A Cointreau has that
If you're
zesty.
using Aero
Yeah.
triple sec,
If
may
you
not
use
need
it-
the agave.
Yeah. you
If you
don't
use-
need any sweetener.
If you're
probably wouldn't
using
wanna mix
$9
up.
Yeah.
bottle of triple sec, skip all agave because you just basically got a Sprite. So don't do that. I would go with a higher end product unless you're serving it to people who don't know anything about margaritas. You can serve them whatever they want. They're not going to care. They're just like, oh, free tequila, yay! I don't think so.
Yeah, I mean, that's
so-
why you don't waste your good stuff.
That's why, yeah, you give them the Blanco.
So when we take all the Alma products together, I think. I mean, does the Reposado seem like what we'd all kind of fall in line
It's
with?
mine, yeah.
It's definitely more of a you can say
Slightly.
a more slightly sophisticated margarita.
They
but
do
this
all
is
taste
actually really good.
Yeah.
Oh,
This
yeah,
is so
they're
really
all
good.
good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For you bump up $3, you get the taste of this. Whatever. I can drink either.
They're slightly different. I mean,
They are all
Yeah.
different. So
you're all going to have like different palates. So some people
Right.
may not enjoy repos because they don't like the
oak
rest
Exactly.
of
Yeah.
Some
as
people might
much.
not like the oak.
And
If
for
you
some
don't like
people,
it,
it may be
yeah.
lost. You know, the difference between the Blanco and the Reposado may be lost for some people who are just getting into drinking.
Oh, you
haven't
want-
developed
Yeah,
their
they haven't-
palate
yeah.
yet.
Oh my god!
Yeah.
And you won't even know what the hell this is.
For some people, it's like, you know, different vodkas in a Greyhound. It doesn't make a lick of difference.
Yeah.
You know what I
Yeah.
mean?
But the difference is, no matter how experienced you are, you're still gonna be like, it doesn't make a lick of difference when you're dealing with vodka. It's okay. It tastes like grapefruit. It
Yeah,
doesn't taste
I
like
mean,
grapefruit.
vodka,
Something's
yeah.
weird. Like when we use carrots or some shit, like some sweet
Avocado.
potato vodka or whatever.
Oh, yeah.
These all make a difference. I just think everybody
I've
kind of
never
falls in
used the
line.
carrot thing, but
You want that? If it tastes like carrots, you're doing it wrong.
Oh, yeah.
You can make a vodka out of carrots, says Derek.
says
Says
Derek.
Derek.
If Derek says,
There's a
it
lot of
shall
sugar in
be.
carrots. Carrots have a lot of sugar.
You should be able to do it. Jennifer's made an entire recipe book that had carrot in it.
not entire, just a few.
Can I just expect?
Yes,
that'd
you
be
can.
great.
You can exaggerate.
So there you
Hyperbole
go.
is lost on us.
Jen's got a book about carrots. If you want to see it, go to commonmancocktail/carrots.
It's homecocktailmenu.com.
If you want to see something else, go
It
to
does
Common
exist.
Cocktails/Carrot Brothers. That's
that's
different.
something. Yeah, just
That's totally different.
don't Google that straight up because
What the crap
that's,
is happening?
There's also an alias Snowman knows, but
yeah, no, ooh, yeah.
Don't go there.
That one, yeah, you definitely have to be over 25.
it's dirty Sanchez-esque, but not
Yeah.
so dirty. Yeah.
25. Okay.
25.
Yeah.
Fucking 25. Here, listen. Here's
Oh.
what we got.
He
supposed
gets
to
all.
let her-
Don't you like when he gets all frustrated? He never does because he's always like, I got that. Hold on.
I just lost control.
Derek,
Look
One more thing. Look up there, look down there, subscribe.
over there. You
What's your
know.
favorite vegetable?
Cinco 18.
Should I say carrots here?
No, say whatever you want. I'm just curious.
My favorite vegetable?
favorite vegetable.
I don't know.
Stumped him.
Garlic. Yeah,
Garlic?
that's a root, right?
Garlic is.
Question today, what's your
You
favorite
like corn?
vegetable?
Like, oh, it's not a
I kind
vegetable.
of like corn.
Corn
I
on the
kind of
cob?
like corn.
I'm trying to think of a garlic sex move, but I can't.
He likes.
I gave you corn and you couldn't come up with... You shut up.
Corn I can.
All right. Well,
Yeah.
fine. Corn. I said corn.
Little corn cob pipe.
It reminds me of corn.
A little corn cob
A
pipe.
corn cob pipe with a slide whistle.
Button
Slide
nose.
whistle.
With a little
Slide
slide
whistle
whistle suck.
So there's a lot of stuff I was gonna say. It's all gone. What you can do is go to Alma
It's all over the
de
floor where your cards are.
Just go over there,
It's
go
true.
up here, you know.
That's shooting her load.
AlmaDeTequila.com. Check out the brand that's a sponsor for the entire month.
like
Nobody
garlic
else has
sauce.
ever done that, so that's kind of special
That is
there.
pretty good, though.
Now you have margaritas updated because I haven't done this in
Garlic
2 years.
sauce?
I'm thinking something else.
They're still
You're a
talking.
sick fucker.
Hey, you like it.
If you like your sweet
didn't say he
margaritas, go with this recipe. Otherwise, tone back your agave nectar. Do as you wish.
Tone it back a bit.
See? The more experience, the more toning back you do.
Yeah.
Sidebar has 2 videos. One's going to have all tequila in it. I don't remember what the other one's going to have. Down below is the bartender starter kit at awesometrace.com. You can use the coupon code that showed up earlier.
Garlic salt and the Vampiro.
We could have put garlic salt on Vampiro.
They were asking
like-
before the show, how could this possibly get chaotic?
Isn't that something that, like, but vampires don't like garlic?
Yeah, they don't like garlic.
Yeah.
Called the
Totally against
Vampiro Killer.
But if you drink it and you're just like,
We're teaching you how to drink.